Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you guys step by step on how to create the easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create these beautiful paintings you can use as your home decor paintings. You can put it up in your living room, your bedroom, your washroom, I mean anywhere around in your house. I haven't really shared a lot of videos of DIY painting videos. My videos have always been focused towards making DIY home decor, arts and crafts. So today I wanted to kind of change it up with some artistic paintings also being involved in this channel. If you guys haven't checked out one of the videos that I had created a Bob Ross painting. I was following his step-by-step tutorial video. If you guys want to check that out, definitely check that out. I'm not a professional painter myself. I do enjoy art, so this is definitely something easy to make and definitely something easy for people who are starting off with painting. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. For supplies we're going to need, of course, is paint brushes, and 2 canvases. First, using the wet on wet technique, I'm going to slightly wet the canvas, trying not to make it too much wet. And then next I'm going to start off with adding the colors onto this cardboard piece that I'm going to be adding all the colors onto. I'm going to start with first painting out the background using the colors gray, white, and a hint of black. To get the color gray, I simply added some black and white and blended it so that way I could get a beautiful shade of gray that I was looking for the background. When you're painting, you want to make sure that you're going from dark to light. So I'm going to be going dark starting from the top, and then I'm going to be going light as I go below the canvas. So I'm just adding on some of the white onto the gray paint as I am trying to go with the shade starting from dark to light. Feel free to use whichever colors you want. I'm going with gray, but if you want to use any other colors, feel free to use whichever ones you want. So far, this is how it is looking like. Now, from the bottom, I'm pretty much gonna blend in some lighter shades by adding gray and then white so that I could get a nice shade of very light gray. Using the color gray, I'm gonna darken up a little bit of the sky so that way it contrasts as well with the light to dark shades of gray. Feel free to use whichever color you want. I'm gonna go with gray, but you can use any other color you wish to use. I'm also gonna color in the outside so that way it blends well and it gives out a finished look to the painting. Now, using a dab of water and the color gray, I'm going to now blend that in with the darker gray shade with the water mixed with gray paint, and I'm going to try to blend that in. I'm going to wet a little bit of my brush more, and so that way it gets nicely blended. Now we're going to add some white so that we're able to get the lighter shade in as well. As you can see, we're starting to see that beautiful blend of dark to light shade onto the sky area of the paint. Just dab a little water, feel free to do that as well. I'm going to add a little bit of blue also blended to the sky. I'm going to mix blue and white to get a lighter shade of blue color of paint. And I'm just going to add a little bit of just a smudge onto the sky area just so it has a nice shade of blue contrasted well with the gray, of course. I'm just gonna blend that in just a little bit, not too much. So far, this is how it looks like right now, you guys. And then once that is complete, now we're going to move on with making the mountains using the colors black and gray. I'm just going to blend the gray with the black. And then once that's blended a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit of white to it as well. Blend that in. Now I'm going to add on some mountains. Bring on the line over to the other canvas like this. Start blending that in, just like that. And then if you want, you can add on some more mountains. Let's draw out some tiny ones over here. Blend that in, making sure that it's darker from the top and then light from the bottom. Add some white paint to the bottom so that it blends nice with from dark to light. I'm going to add a little bit more white paint to the bottom and blend that in nicely, just like that. I'm going to add another mountain to the other canvas, doing the same exact thing, starting from the top, being a little darker, and then light from the bottom. Adding a little white paint from the bottom, and just blend that in. Next, I'm going to add in the ocean. I'm going to be using the color blue for that. And then once I've blended that in, I'm going to use some white paint. And so I'm going to blend that in with the blue. Once that's blended, this is how it looks like from dark to light. Next, we're going to add in some more mountains, and for that I'm just going to draw out a straight line using a gray shade of paint, and then mixing water with a little bit of gray paint, I'm going to make tiny mountains so it looks like they're like far away mountains. Just going to blend that in just like that. I'm just going to continue adding in some more mountains. Now I'm just going to darken up a little bit of the mountains from the top, just like that. I'm just using my wet brush that had a little bit of gray paint on it. I'm just blending the sky in just like this, making the sky looking a little gray, and then I'm going to add a little hint of blue in it as well. Now using some water and the color gray, I'm going to paint that into the ocean so that way it's giving out a reflection of the mountains. Next, using the brown paint, I'm going to start drawing out the tree branches, just like that.
Also, just a quick tip, when making tree branches, you want to keep this in mind that your tree branches should start with being thicker and then thinner when you reach to the end of the branch. Continue making the branches until it looks like this. And if you want, you can add in some more little branches just like that. Now, since this is going to be a cherry blossom tree, I'm going to be using pink and white, and I'm gonna blend those two colors just like this. And once it's nicely blended, I'm just gonna dab them onto each of the branches like this. Now, to get another lighter shade of pink, I'm going to add the pink and then more white to the colors so I get a lighter shade of pink. And so I'm going to add those on there as well to create a nice volume with different shades of pink cherry blossoms onto the branches. Once it's complete, here is the finished look.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. For all my video updates, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. Also, you can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Amanpreet Matharu as well. The link is down in the description below and just down here for you guys as well. And also, if you want to stay up to date on when I post my videos on both my DIY channel and my vlog channel, don't forget to give me a follow. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, and this is the name of my vlog channel. Also, I'm always open for suggestions, so if you guys have any great suggestions, kinds of videos you guys want to see on this channel and on my vlog channel, DM me on Instagram or comment down below. I'm always open for suggestions, you guys.
Today's video shout out goes to Cade. Shout out to you.
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be entered in to get a shout out in my next video. And also, I wanted to give you guys an update that since it is October, it is the Halloween spooky season. I am currently filming lots of other great stuff that's coming up, so you guys do not miss out. I'm going to keep you guys updated on my socials, so don't forget to give me a follow on both my Instagram and my TikTok as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well so you guys are notified each time I post a new video on this channel. So some really exciting videos coming up very soon, especially this month. So in order to stay up to date on when I post it, give me a follow and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon. Also, thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Bye.